Hello everyone, this is Samadhankar and welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel Python Developer. So guys, we have started this course, and in this course we have started the topic that is Python sets. Now we will see the in today's lecture or today's video the remaining part of the Python set, and that is a Python methods, sets methods. Yes. So how many methods are there in sets? So let's give the heading first. Set methods. Yes, so we can find the set methods. Yes, there are so many methods in a set. We will see one by one. Yes, so we can print the set methods also. Yes, how we can print? By using the print statement. Print dir of, yes, print dir of the set. Yes, set. And if we run this, so we will get these many methods. Okay, so guys, before we will see all these methods, those guys do not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get the latest updation of the videos. Yes, so let's start guys. Today's first method is from this. Yes, add to update. Yes, we have to see all these methods. Yes, now already we have seen add method, clear method, and copy methods. Sorry, add and clear methods. Yes, so what is add method guys? Add method adds an element to the set. Okay, if you want to add any element to the set, we can use the add method. In the last video I have explained this. Again, clear method is used to remove all the elements from the set. Okay, so if you want to remove all elements from the particular set, you can use the clear method of the set. This method is also covered in the last video. Yes, so if you don't see the last video, I will give the video link of that in the description box. Please check it, and I also give this ipynb files link of my GitHub. So please check the description box so that you will get the file also. Yes, so let's take the today's first method, that is a copy method. Yes, copy method. We will see how to copy the set. Okay, how to copy the set. So what is copy method? Suppose we will say, take a set yes is equal to our set. This is the notation of set, and we have taken this is the set. Yes, and I want to copy this set yes. So I will use yes dot copy, yes dot copy, and run it. So it will copy the set yes itself. Yes, that is copied only. Okay, so this is the thing that we have to remember. Okay guys, I hope all of you understood the copy method. So the next method is difference method. Yes guys, difference method. So let's give the thing as a difference method. Yes, difference method. So what will happen in a difference method guys? Yes, let's mark down and run it. This is the difference method. 1 second, I have to give here space. Now run it. So in a difference method guys, it will return a set containing the difference between two or more sets. Yes, if we have taken two sets. Okay, s1 is equal to, suppose my set s1 is equal to the set 1 2 3 4. Yes, 3 and 4, and I will take the s2 set. S2 is equal to, I will take 2 3 and 4 5. Okay, and then I will calculate the difference of these two sets. Okay, so I will take first s1 dot difference, s1 dot difference of s2. Yes, and then again I will take s2 dot difference of s1, difference of s1, and let's run it. So I have to use print statement here, not print. I will use print s1 and s2. Okay, but it will not give. Okay, let's stay separately. Run it. Run it separately. Yes. So it will give me 1. S1 dot difference S2. It will give me 1. So what is this? What is the working of this difference method, guys? It will return a set. Okay, it will return a set. That means this is the set. Yes, which contains the difference between two or more sets. Okay, which contains the difference between two or more sets. We have to find the difference of these two sets. Okay, see here, 2 is present, 3 is present, 4 is present. Okay, S1, S1. The difference means, guys, the elements in S1, the elements in S1 which are not contained in S2, which are not contained in S2. That is difference, set difference. Yes, means the elements of S1. It will print the elements of S1 only. If you take here S1 dot, it will take the elements of S1 which are not in S2. So how many elements of this set S1 which are not in S2? So 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here. Only one. One is not present in S2. Yes. Suppose if we give this S2 difference S1, S2 difference S1, then what will we get? The elements which are in S2, which are in S2, we have to print this. Yes, but what is the S2 difference S1? What is the S2 difference S1? The elements in this set S2, this set S2, which are not in S1, which are not in S1. So how many elements are not in S1? 2 is S1, 3 is in S1, 4 is in S1. So only the 5 which is not in S1. So this is the 5. So this is the difference method. Yes, if you want to see, you can see here. Yes, so it will return the difference of two or more sets. Okay, that means all elements that are in this set but not in the other. So I'll copy this and paste it here so that you will get the understanding. Yes, okay. Now we will see the next method, that is a difference update method. Yes, difference update method. Here itself I will take. Yes, so that you will see the methods also. Yes, so difference update method, difference update method, and let's convert it to markdown and run it. So you have to see the difference update method. So what is the use of this difference update method, guys? It is same as a difference method, but it will be update that set into the particular set. Yes, suppose we have take these sets only. Okay, I will copy these two sets only. Yes, S1 and S2, S1 and S2. I will copy these sets and let's paste it here. We have to see the difference method, na? So I will write first as S1 dot, yes, S1 dot, I will write as difference method is a difference update. Yes, difference update and S2, difference update of S2, and let's run it. Let's run it. It will not return anything, but if we write S1 now, if we write S1 now, so what is S1, guys? It is only one. That means this set S1 is updated. It will be updated by taking the difference of these two sets S1 and S2. Difference update method. What is the working of difference update method? It will take difference of these two sets and updates a particular set into the difference set. Yes, So this is the difference, that is singleton 1, and this singleton 1 is the set S1 now. Okay. So instead of this, if we take, I will add another cell, and instead of S1, if we write S2, yes, and then difference update, then S1, yes, and then you have print S2, print S2. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5. These many elements are there. S2 dot difference update S1. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 1 second. Not I will give this, cut it. Firstly run it and then take S2. S2. Now run it. So it will take 2, 3, 4 and 5 only. Okay. Because why this happen, guys? Because you have taken this one only, na? Here. Now set S1 is updated to this one. Only one element in the set S1, only one element. Now if we take here S2 and here is S1, here is S1, then you will see what will happen in S2. What will happen in S2? Let's run this cell. You will get only 5. You will get only 5, not the total set. And if we run now S1, difference update S2, let's run it and then run the S1 cell. So you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, because there is only element 5, but which is not present in this set. So it will give you the original set S1. Yes, it will count the difference. If it is possible to find the difference, then find it. If not possible, then it will give the original set. Yes, so this is the difference update method. So next method is, that is discard method. Yes, guys, discard method. Discard method. So converted to the markdown. Let's run it. So what is the discard method, guys? So if you want to remove a particular element from the set, if you want to remove the particular element from the set, you can use the discard method. Suppose I want to remove 3 from the set S1. So I will use S1 dot discard, S1 dot discard this element 3. Yes, let's run it and then take S1, take S1, see what is the output. The element 3 get removed from this set. So it will work, the discard method is work same as of the remove method. Yes, it will work same as of remove method. See here. So this is the discard method. Now the next method is, guys, that is intersection. Yes, intersection of two sets. If you want to take the intersection of two sets, how you can take it? Yes, intersection. So let's give the heading intersection method. Yes, intersection method. So how we can find the intersection of two sets? Let's run it. Now I will paste the same two sets here. Okay, not that one. Copy the, that is. So first copy this two one. Yes, first copy this, Control C, then paste it here. Yes. Now I will use the intersection method on these two sets. Suppose I will write S1 intersection S2. Yes, S1 dot intersection, S1 dot intersection of S2, and then run it. So what you will get? 2, 3 and 4. Intersection means, guys, it will take the common elements from these two sets. So what are the common elements in these two sets? 2, 3, 4, and this is a 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. These are the common elements. So it will take the common elements of these two sets. So S1 dot intersection S2. Same if you take S2 dot intersection S1, it will give you the same result. Yes. So this is the intersection method. I hope all of you understood the intersection method. Then it's a easy one. Intersection update. Yes. Next one is intersection update. So it is same as of intersection. Yes, it is same as of intersection, but it will update the set S1. Yes, it will update the set S1. So intersection update of S2. And if we run these, and then if you take the S1 set, so what you will get? You will get 2, 3, and 4. That means the set S1 is updated to these elements. What are the original elements of set S1? 1, 2, 3, 4. But by using intersection update method, the set is get updated to these elements 2, 3, and 4. Yes. So this is the method, that is the intersection update. Okay guys, I will give the description after the video, and you will get the description in the file also. Yes, so that you will understood the concept. Now next method is the disjoint. Yes, is disjoint. So guys, if you don't know the disjoint set, so I will tell you what is the disjoint sets. When two sets are disjoint, guys, when their intersection is empty. That means if we take the intersection of two sets, then we get a zero or empty set. There is nothing in their intersection. That is known as disjoint set. Yes. So we have to find the sets are disjoint or not. How to find the disjoint or not? So is a disjoint method. Is disjoint method. So it will check the whether the sets are disjoint or not. Yes, let's run it. So I will take that sets only. Yes, and then I will use s1 dot is a disjoint. Yes, is a disjoint of s1, so s2. Let's run it. It will give me output as true and false. Yes. So if we take guys here, what is the intersection of these two sets? 2, 3, and 4. That means the intersection is not empty. It is a non-empty. Yes, it is non-empty. That's why it is a not a disjoint. These two sets are not disjoint. That's why we will get the output as false. And if we take, suppose I take S1 is equal to the set 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I will take S2 is equal to the set, suppose 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. And then I will use S1 is a disjoint S2. Yes. S1 dot is disjoint S2. Let's run it. Now you will get the output as a true. Why true, guys? Because in these two sets, no element is common. No element is common in between these two sets. That's why we will get these two sets are disjoint sets. Yes. So this is the method is disjoint. Next method is guys is subset. Yes. Here is subset. Okay. Now let's see what is subset. We give the heading is subset. Yes. Convert it to the markdown. Run it. Now how we can use is subset method. I will give the same sets, okay, so that it will be easy for understanding. So now I will use s1 dot is subset method. Okay, is a subset of s2. That means is s1 is a subset of s2 or not. Okay, it will give again the output in true and false. Okay, so it is a false. So s1 is not a subset of s2. That means guys, what it will check, it checks whether another set contains this set. That means in this set S1, the set S2 is contained or not. Okay, S1 is a subset of S2, means guys, the set S2 should be containing S1 whole set. Suppose I will write here as 5 and then run it. So it will give again me as false. S1 is a subset of S2. S1 is a not subset of S2. And suppose I will give here as 1 and then run it. So then I will give the true. That means in this set S2, all the elements of S1 are present. Hence, the set S1, sorry, S2 is a subset of S1. Yes. So this is the is subset method. Now is superset. Okay, same as of subset, but superset is the biggest set. Yes. Suppose I will check take another sets now. So S1 is equal to, I'm taking 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then I will take S2 is equal to, suppose I take 2, then 3, 4 and 5, and then 1, and then 8 and then 9. Yes. So these many elements I have, and now I will use S2 dot S2 dot is a superset. Okay, is superset. So I have to use is superset method. Is superset of S1. That means S2 is a superset of S1 or not. So it will give me true, because see guys, the set S2 contains all the elements of S1, and it is the biggest set. Okay, it is the biggest set. It will contain the all elements of set S1. That's why the set S2 is a superset of S1. Yes. So I will here write is superset method. Yes, is superset thought. Converted to the markdown, run it. Okay, I hope all of you understood is superset. It is same as of subset, but superset is the biggest set. Okay, the next method is guys symmetric difference. Yes, I hope this pop method is covered in the last video also. Remove method is also covered. So what is the use of pop method guys? Pop method removes the last element of the set. Remove method is the same as of discard. And now we will see the symmetric difference. Yes, symmetric difference method. So let's give the heading as symmetric difference. Yes, symmetric difference method. Yes, symmetric difference method. Now convert it to the markdown and run it. I will take the same elements again. Okay, not same elements because we have to find the symmetric difference. So I'm taking now S1 is equal to, I'm taking 2, then 3, 4, 5, and then 8 and 9. Okay, so this is our set S1. Now S2 I will take as suppose 2, then 4, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So these are the sets I have taken. Then I will use S1 dot symmetric difference. Yes, S1 dot symmetric difference. So here it is. Yes, this is the symmetric difference of S2, and let's run it. So I will get 3, 5 and 10. So what is the symmetric difference guys? It returns all elements that are in exactly one of the sets. That are in exactly one of the set. That means guys, if the common elements are there in both sets, it will be removed. Okay, common elements. Which are the common elements? 2 is common, 4 is common in between these two sets, 8 is common in between two sets, 9 is common in between two sets. What are the remaining set elements in the set S1? 3 and 5. Okay, and in S2 10. So 3, 5 and 10 are the elements which are in symmetric difference. So symmetric difference means, guys, it returns all elements that are in exactly one of the sets. Okay, not common. Okay, not common elements. So this is the symmetric difference method. Now I'm going to take symmetric difference update. Okay, it is same as of symmetric difference, but it will take only update the set. It will update the set as intersection update and difference update. Yes, symmetric update method. Yes, let's convert it to the markdown and run it. Now I will use the method symmetric update method. So I will take these two sets only. Okay, and I will use symmetric update method. Suppose I take s1 dot symmetric update. Yes, symmetric difference update. I have to take symmetric difference update of s2. Okay, and if I run, I will not get any output. But if I print in the next line, that is s1. Okay, s1, the set s1 is updated to the symmetric difference set, that is a 3, 5 and 10 that we have seen in the last method, that is symmetric difference method. Okay, and in symmetric difference update method, the first set is get updated, that is s1 set is updated. If we take s2 here, then s2 is updated. Okay, so this is the symmetric difference update. So it will update a set with the symmetric difference of itself and another set. Okay, now the next method is, guys, union method. Okay, union method. So what is the union method? Let's give the heading as union method. Okay, in this method we will find the union of two sets. Union means all elements of the sets that are containing set 1 and set 2. I will take these two sets only, and I will use s1 dot union of s2. Yes, union of s2, and let's run it. So I will get the union of these two sets. That means all elements which are present in set s1 and s2, that is a 2, 3, 4 and 5, 8, 9, 10. Now some of you have a question, sir, here is a 2 also, here is a 4 also, but we know that, what we know that sets do not allow the duplicate values. That's why it will take 2, 3 and 4 only, not 9, 9, 9 double, not 2, 2 double and 4, 4 double. Okay, so this is the thing that we have to remember. So I hope, guys, all of you understood the set methods, and this update method I have taken in the last video. If you don't see the last video, please see the description box. I have given the link of the last video, and thank you for watching the video.